In this video, we're going to look at ways to create a home recording studio. Hello, my name is Richard, and this is iOS Creation Studio, where I help you get more from your iPad and iPhone. Studio recording has come a long way since the days of the Beatles at Abbey Road. Back then, the band, along with the genius of George Martin, managed to produce all that wonderful music and using just 4 tracks audio to do it. Some of you may remember when you first started recording demos and visited your local recording studio to make your musical masterpiece, and at great cost. Studios developed into the technological marvels we see today, and as you can see, there's a lot of expensive looking equipment in there. In the 1980s, companies began to develop 4-track tape machines, and this revolutionised music production. I remember going into the turnkey shop in London and buying my very first Porter Studio, as they came to be known as, and I still have it today. It's the classic Tascam Porter 7 4-track recorder. Then we moved into the digital age, and I picked up my Boss BR600 8-track machine. This doubled the amount of tracks I had available for making music. But now the iPad has revolutionised the music industry once again. With your iPad you can design and build a truly powerful recording studio that has all the bells and whistles you could ever need. Armed with just your iPad and the free GarageBand app, you can create some wonderful music. But to help you do even more, it's good to have a few more bits and pieces, and this is my home recording studio. The digital audio workstation I'm using here is Cubasis, which is a powerful and versatile DAW which you can use on your iPad. Now, central to this studio is an audio interface. The one I use is a Steinberg UR22C. It's a versatile piece of equipment and you can plug guitars and microphones into it. You can also connect up some studio monitors, and it also has a headphone jack. This really is the nerve centre of the whole system if you want to develop a real studio. On the back of the device we have 2 sockets for your monitors, 2 for MIDI, but also a socket for plugging in a battery so you can take this thing out and about with you. The other things you're going to need are a powered USB hub to plug in your audio interface and MIDI keyboards, and an Apple camera connection kit. You'll also notice a few more items here. I've got a pair of Sennheiser HD280 PRO headphones and an Audio-Technica AT2020 condenser mic. You'll also need an XLR cable with this. The MIDI controller that I use is an Arturia Keystep 37, and this is a very useful piece of equipment to have in your home recording studio. It's easy to play, it's versatile, and I use it on a regular basis for music creation. So that's the end of the tour of my small but quite powerful home recording studio using an iPad. You can use this for making music with a multitude of instruments such as guitars and basses, and you can also record vocals. I'll put some links in the description for this equipment so you can check these out for yourself. Happy creating! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.